Hello students, this is Maestro Elvis again. I hope you had time to study the Pre-K Dolch Sight Words Part 1 of 4 lesson. Now it's time for the Pre-Kindergarten Dolch Sight Words Part 1 of 4 quiz. Are you ready? Please take out a sheet of paper and a pencil or pen and write down the following. So on your own paper, copy and complete the quiz below. You will need to complete each of the 10 sentences with the words on the left-hand side. The words are a or a, and, away, big, blue, can, come, down, find, and for. But right now, let's look at each of these sentences that you need to write down, and you'll need to complete them with the words on the left. Go, I am busy. Give me little help. Maria, Jose are friends. This gift is you. She has a house. I lost my pen. Can you it? I learn English. Rose will down the stairs. Juan wants to go to the basement. The sky is... Okay, so please copy down these sentences and fill in the blanks with the words on the left. You can push stop on the video so that you have more time to copy these sentences and complete with the words on the left. Okay, make sure you push stop, and when you're done, press play again on the video and you will see the answers. Okay, try not to cheat, try not to look at the answers first. You should write the answers first and then check to see how many answers you got correct. How many out of 10? Okay, push stop on the video, and next you will be able to see the answers. Here are the answers to the Pre-Kindergarten Dolch Sight Words Part 1 of 4 quiz. And the answers are as follows. Go away. I am busy. Number 2. Give me a little help. Number 3. Maria and Jose are friends. Number 4. This gift is for you. Number 5. She has a big house. Number 6. I lost my pen. Can you find it? Number 7. I can learn English. Number 8. Rosa will come down the stairs. Number 9. Juan wants to go down to the basement. And finally, number 10. The sky is blue. Okay, so how many answers did you get right? How many answers did you get right? If you got 7 or more answers right, congratulations. That means that you are pretty good at this, and you've been studying hard these 10 words from the Pre-K Dolch Sight Words Part 1 of 4 list. However, if you scored less than 7 on this quiz, please go back to the video lesson. It's only about 12 minutes. And review everything. And then you can try to take this quiz again. Once you score above 7 out of 10, you know you are pretty good at this. And you can continue. And we will continue to the next list, which is Pre-Kindergarten Dolch Sight Words Part 2 of 4 next. But for now, if you scored below 7 out of 10, please go back, review the lesson video, and take this quiz again. If you're an English learner, make sure that you use the Google Translate to translate both the words and the sentences, and try to see how each word fits in each sentence, how it makes sense. Thank you, everyone. I hope you did well on this test. If you didn't, please review, and we will do better next time. Okay. We will continue with Pre-Kindergarten Dolch Sight Words Part 2 of 4 lesson. See you then.